Now, this is how you can add the hotspot button in the control center on your iPhone. Of course, for that you need to be running on the iOS 18 where it's just much more customizable in there. So let's get into it right now. So a few options here, like if you swipe down, you should already see that there is like this big like connection platter, whatever. And if you hold down on it, you should already be able to see the personal hotspot right there. So you might already have it available, right? So it might be that simple, but you can also just add a very specific toggle just for the personal hotspot. So you don't even have to hold down on anything. And for this, you need to swipe down to the control center, tap on the plus button. Then at the bottom, you have the add a control button. And in here, you can scroll through it, but I would recommend you to just use the search bar and just type in a personal hotspot. And when you click on this, you have a little toggle in there where it's just like this circular toggle. You can also just expand it and make it larger if you wish. Like you can make it even a square, so there are some options. It doesn't have to stay like this circular one, but this is a special dedicated toggle for your personal hotspot. As I say, again, it's likely already available under the Wi-Fi and these like other controls in here, but you might have this separate one added to the control center as well. No issues there, and sometimes it's even much more useful. So I hope I could help you out with this. If I did, or if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.